Hello again, you first graders. I'm just kidding. But we're ready for the next sound. And the next sound is going to be the short E. And that sounds like eh, eh. Okay, I know it doesn't sound great. It's not like the pure Spanish sounds. But that's what we need to do. We need to learn these sounds to be able to be understood in English and to understand by hearing English and by reading English. So in this particular case, you make the eh sound. Notice that my mouth is wide open, eh. My tongue is rested behind my teeth, eh. My tongue is down, eh. And the sound is here in the throat, eh. Okay, folks, let's get to it.
Make a word with n, to match the picture. 10, n, 10. Men, n, men. Hen, n, hen. Pen, n, pen. Fabulous! You know, hen, men, pen, 10. Make a word with et, to match the picture. Wet, et, wet. Pet, et, pet. Jet, et, jet. Net, et, net. Awesome! You know, jet, net, pet, wet. Short E makes its very own sound, eh, 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 eh. Egg, peg. Eh, egg, peg. Is, a, ed, red. Hen. Egg, peg. Et, gets. Et, set. To, go. Egg, peg. Et, gets. In, a, green. Et, jet. The, et, jet. Is, fast, fast. peg, get, gets, wet, the, jet, gets, in, web, peg, all, falls, and, all, falls, egg, peg, all, falls, in, to, into, bed,
Did you like this book? Yes! Thank you.